Hello everyone and welcome to another Voluta digital release form tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at different artist related options in our editor's menu. So let's jump right in. First up, we'll get into the app and head to settings. It'll ask you to enter your employee passcode. The default is 1234, or if you changed it, use your custom passcode. If you'd like to know how to set up a custom passcode, click the pop-up in the top right to watch the tutorial. Next, we're going to tap settings up at the top and enter in our master passcode. Once we're in the settings menu, we're going to scroll down until we find the editor's menu. This is where we can edit all of the different client and artist options when they're filling out the release forms. The ones that we're going to be focusing on today are all of the ones that apply to the artist portion of the release forms, and the good thing is that they all basically work the exact same. We'll start by tapping Edit Pigment List. As you can see, there's some preloaded options in here, and they're divided into 3 sections: brand, color family, and color. When we tap Add Pigment, it brings up a text field for all 3 options. Also in this menu, we can choose to remove a pigment, or we can also choose to restore everything to its default settings. When we head back to the editor's menu, we can see that all the other equipment lists work the exact same way, allowing you to add items, remove items, and restore them back to their default settings. Thank you for watching this Voluta digital release form tutorial. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel with more tutorials on how to set up and best utilize your app. And don't forget, if you're ever offline and unable to watch one of our videos, you can always head into your app and go to our How to Set Up and Use FAQ, and when you are connected, use our support page for more help.